Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to copy an idea as a text in Deepstash. So let's start for example by going to one of these profiles that I have here. For example, I would like to go for this build habits that help you stay consistent every day or define goals that align with your vision for personal growth as an example and click on it. So here this guy has 6 ideas. So let's say for example I would like to have this. So simply just go ahead and copy the link, copy the text, and as you can see now, the content is copied to your clipboard. So now you can paste it. Let me just go to Word documents, for example. As we go here. And what I'm going to do is click a new one. As you can see, here we go. So before setting goals, it's essential to define that personal growth looks like, what personal growth looks like in your life. Let's see if it's the same here. So before setting goals, it's essential to define what personal growth looks like in your life. Okay, it's perfect. It's the same thing. Of course, it misses some kind of boldness, etc., and the text effects, but that could be done by you. So you can go to Word document like this and simply just go ahead and click Control G or Control B, and the text should be going bold again. So as you can see here, make sure to add spaces. Simply just work on the text and make it look beautiful as it was in those little stashes in here, or yeah, just like that. So let's do one more test so we can go to another article here or to another profile. I would like to go for this one as an example. So I'm going to this one. I'm going to click it here and I'm going to copy text. And here we go. So I'm going to go and make some spaces and paste it right here. And as you can see, open edit question encourage expensive thinking, helping you move beyond simple yes or no answers. Let's check that out. Yes, it's the same. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.